Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file and panicked, thinking it's gone forever? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through recovering deleted files from the recycle bin in 2025. This simple process can save you a ton of stress, and with recent updates to operating systems like Windows, it's even more straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, when you delete a file, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, it gets moved to the recycle bin as a safety net. This gives you a chance to retrieve it before it's permanently gone. To start, locate the recycle bin icon on your desktop. It's usually the trash can symbol, and double-click to open it. Once inside, you'll see a list of all the files you've recently deleted. Take a moment to browse through them. Look for the file you want to recover by checking the file names, dates, or sizes. If you spot it, right-click on the file and select Restore. Alternatively, you can use the Restore All Items button if you want everything back. That's it. Your file should now be back in its original location. But what if the file isn't in the recycle bin? In 2025, some systems might have auto-empty features or permanent deletions. Don't fret. You can use built-in tools like Windows File History or download reliable third-party software such as Raycuva for deeper recovery. Remember, acting quickly is key because the more you use your computer, the less likely it is to recover the file. A quick pro tip. Always back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage to avoid these situations altogether. It's a game changer for data safety. There you have it. Recovering deleted files is easier than you think. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.